Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the topic of what's causing this lump under my skin. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start the video. A lump under the chin is a bump, mass or swollen area that appears under the chin, along the jawline, or on the front part of the neck. In some cases, more than one lump may develop. Lumps under the chin are usually harmless. Most of the time, they are caused by swollen lymph nodes. This swelling is typically triggered by an infection. Cancer, cyst, abscesses, benign tumors, and other medical issues can also cause chin lumps. However, these causes are much rarer by comparison. A lump under the chin may appear as a boil or abscess. It may feel soft or hard. Some lumps feel tender or even painful to touch, while others don't cause pain. When neck lumps don't cause pain, they can be present for a long time before you notice them. Causes of lumps under the chin. What are the causes of lumps under the chin? Infection. Both bacterial and viral infection can cause a lump to form under the chin. Many times these lumps are swollen lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are the part of network of our immune system that helps protect your body from illness. Many are located in the head and neck, including under the jaw and chin. Lymph nodes are small and flexible. They can be round or bean shaped. It's common for lymph nodes in the head and neck to swell. When they do, it's usually a sign of an underlying illness. When swollen, they can range in size from that of a pea to that of a large olive. They may feel tender or painful to the touch, or hurt when you chew or turn your head in a particular direction. Now we will know some common infections that can trigger swelling in the lymph nodes include. Under respiratory infections including colds and the flu, measles, ear infections, sinus infections, strep throat, and infected tooth or any mouth infections, mononucleosis, and skin infections such as cutis. Many other conditions can cause lymph nodes to swell, produce a lymph under the chin. These includes viruses such as HIV and tuberculosis. Immune system disorders such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis can also cause swollen lymph nodes. If you have a lump under the chin caused by a swollen lymph node, you may also experience other symptoms such as other swollen lymph nodes such as in the groin or under the arms, symptoms of an upper respiratory infection such as cough, sore throat or runny nose, chills or night sweat, fever and fatigue. Lumps under the chin caused by lymph node swelling due to an infection should go away on their own. Your doctor must suggest you monitoring the swelling. So, cancer. Cancer can also cause a lump to form under the chin. Though cancer is more likely to affect older adults, it can appear at any stage. There are a variety of ways that cancer can cause a lump to form. For instance, a lump under the chin can form when cancer is affecting a nearby organ such as the mouth, throat, thyroid, or salivary gland. Cancer from a distant organ metastasizes or spread to the lymph node. Cancer arises in the lymphatic system. Non melanoma skin cancer appears under the chin. Sarcoma appears under the chin. Certain cancer can also cause the lymph nodes to swell. This includes leukemia, Hodgkin's disease, and others. Cancer lumps usually feel hard, they aren't tender or painful to the touch. Related symptoms vary according to the type of cancer. Some warning signs may include sore that don't heal, changes in your bladder and bowel activity, lumps elsewhere in the body, difficulty swelling, indigestion, unexplained discharge or bleeding, changes in the size, shape, and color of warts, moles, and other mouth sores, a nagging cough, changes in voice, and recurring infection. When a lump under the chin is caused by a cancerous tumor, there are a number of treatments available. Your doctor might suggest chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery to remove the lump. Okay, so now cyst and benign tumor. So other growth aren't cancerous. These include cyst, sac filled with fluid or other matter, and benign tumors. Benign tumors develop when cells start to divide at an abnormal rate. Unlike malignant or cancerous tumor, they can't invade neighboring tissues or spread to other parts of the body. Some types of cyst or benign tumors that can cause a lump to form under the chin include epidermoid cyst, fibromas, lymphomas, sebaceous cyst, lipomas, and fibromas can be either soft or firm. Most cyst and benign tumors aren't usually painful, they may cause discomfort. Many cyst benign tumors don't have related symptoms. However, if the cyst or benign tumor is close to the surface of the skin, it can become irritated, inflamed, or infected. So, there are some other causes of benign tumor. So, let's see. A number of other health conditions can lead to formation of a lump under the chin. These include salivary dirt, stone, acne, food allergies, goiters, injury, hematoma, insect stings or bites, broken bones, a fractured jaw, and certain medications. In these cases, symptoms and treatment depends on the sources of the lump. So, when to see a doctor? A lump under the chin should go away on its own. Most cases, treating an underlying condition such as an infection will reduce swelling. So, you should see a doctor if you have an unexplained chin lump, your chin lump is growing, your chin lump has been present for 2 weeks, and your chin lump feels hard or doesn't move. Your chin lump is accompanied by unexplained weight loss, fever, or night sweats. So, you should seek medical care right away if you are having difficulty breathing and you are having difficulty swelling. So, that's all about this video. If you like the video, then like, subscribe, and share, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you, and comment below.